Welcome on into this faithful Sunday. I hope you guys have all had a blessed day, and it is the day of rest, but I want to make sure you guys all had a little worship, little Jesus juice up in your life. But today, I'm bringing you something a little bit different. I've done this one time, so this is going to be episode number 2. And what we're going to do is go through a monthly subscription box. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company, a little bit about the box, and show you what's inside, give you my impressions, all right? So let's get into it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe, thumbs up, and smash that bell so you know anytime I come out with some new content, and you can be one of the first to get in on the good deals that we offer, or the tips, tricks, and anything in between. That's how it goes, right? All right, we're going to get into it right after this. All right, I got a box here. And look at right there who it's from. There you go. We got a box here from Blackbeard Trading Company. It is the nice little brown box here, sealed up nice and well. And I'm going to show you guys what's inside of it. And this kind of plays off of a series that we're doing, and it's the monthly subscription series. So this is a monthly subscription, something you sign up for. You get a reoccurring charge every month, and they send you out this box every single month. And you get to, grab your trusty blade, slice it open here, and see what's inside of it. And so Blackbeard, I've been a part of for a while now. Ever since they started, I kind of got in on their subscription. I've just let it go. And I've got a bunch of different stuff in these boxes from them. So let's just see what's in this month's box here. And we got it sliced open here. We're just going to pop it open. I'm going to show you what it looks like in here. So here you go. We got a card in here and some goodies. So the card in here is "Ye treasure has arrived." Featured beard company would be Premium WMB. So the way that this box works is every month they send it out, and you get a different company in the box. So it's not necessarily sample size. You're going to get a full size, and there's going to be a different company. A lot of times there's swag, there's other type of things in the box. So you could see hats, you could see keychains, you could see any type of men type products in there. Other stuff than beard oil and beard balm, but you still do get a beard oil and beard balm. So what it says right here is you get a full-size beard combo each month. So full-size oil, full-size balm, one or more company swag, apparel, or man accessories. All right, so monthly subscriptions are billed on the 1st of every month. Cancel anytime. Subscription boxes shipped by the 3rd of every single month. So you have time to get in right now for November's subscription box. And I believe these are $29.95 a month. And then you get this box shipped out to you. So let's just see what we have first and foremost in here. We got Aubrey chores. Get those out of here. We don't need those. And then we have a hat. So right here, already off the top here, we got a Premium Beards WMB hat. This is like a flex fit hat with the knit on there. So let's just take this off. Let's just kind of pull the paper out of this one, and we'll put it on, and we'll just see what it's like. It's a flex fit. There we go. Ta-da! And so we got that. So we get a hat out of here already, and it's a nice feeling hat, actually. So we got the hat, and let's see what else we have in here. What else do we have in this guy? We got a card for WMB. So W and B. Thank you for your purchase. Our passion is to create handcrafted products that will have you coming back for more. So there we go. And then what do we got in here? We have what looks to be a charge cable and a pair of headphones. So we got a pair of headphones here, a little pair of earbuds. They look like they're Bluetooth even, and then the charge cable charge them. So that's kind of cool. For any of you guys that use Bluetooth or earbuds or anything like that, you get a little pack of earbuds in there. And these things, I don't know. I'm just going off the top of my head from what I know about Best Buy and, things like that, technology. But these are probably, anywhere from $10 to $20. The hat's going to be $20 to $30. So you're already at the $40 to $50 area. And then not only that, but you get a beard oil. And I got the 6.21. And then you have a beard balm, 6.21. So something really cool about this is why I love subscription boxes, because it gives you an opportunity to try something new that maybe you wouldn't have tried before. Now I do have a package sitting over there from WMB, and I just haven't got around to opening it and testing it and reviewing it yet. And now I got this in here. So maybe this pushes me, like, well, let's just give this a snifferoo. Maybe this is like, dude, you need to try out these WMB products more because you've been hearing good things about them. You ordered some stuff from them, but you just haven't opened it up yet. So this is giving me an opportunity to smell this WMB here, and it's a Sublime Melody. So let's just shake it up, get our sniffer ready, and we'll just do a first impression while we're at it. Wow. Whoa. It's almost like a clean cologne, soapy type scent. I really like this. Yeah, this is something I could see myself wearing. See, so I would have never known that this was such a great scent based on just looking at the scent profile or anything like that on the website. But now I get to try it right out of this box, and I'm like, oh, cool. So while we're at it, what do you say we just open the bomb? You guys think that'd be cool? Yeah, I kind of thought so. Let's just open it up. So while I'm opening this up, give me a comment below and let me know. Do you guys have any subscription boxes right now? Are you guys into the subscription thing? What other subscriptions do you have in your life that make things easier for you? And would you be interested in a beard subscription box? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, you got that awesome white. You know I love my white balms like this that just look so white. Good scent. It's not nearly as strong as the oil. Maybe when I get it out and heat it up, and then you got the tin. But this isn't a WMB Premium Beards review. This is on the box. So we got a hat, we got headphones, we got a 1 ounce oil, a 2 ounce balm, all for $30. So I mean, you're looking at, I mean, $60 to $70 worth of stuff here for $30. So it's kind of a cool little surprise every month, and these subscription boxes are really becoming a big thing in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think below. Hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and that bell if you hadn't. Head on over to Blackbeard Trading Company. I'll put their website below. They got that pirate theme. They also do beard oils and balms, and I haven't done a review on them yet, but I have some stuff from them, and it's pretty quality stuff from what I can tell so far. So head on over, check out the subscription. Let me know what you guys think about these subscriptions below, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Yes, Sunday. Enjoy those football games. And until I talk to you guys tomorrow with a new unboxing, check out the rest of the series of monthly subscriptions. And if you know any that I haven't tried out, that I should try out, comment below. And until I talk to you guys again soon, have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.